Hello, welcome to the another video, and in this video I will show you how to make this kind of fruits flavored or basically fruit pulp edible polymer. So we can enjoy, we can eat this one, and we can learn some organic chemistry. So this is the new one, how to make edible polymer. So let's start. Hey, hello everyone, welcome to the another session of home lab chemistry experiments. In this experiment we will do how to make edible polymer, right? So to make edible polymer we are going to use basically polysaccharides and proteins and lipids. So these all things make edible polymer. So first ingredient would be here white sugar, which is the disaccharide, and disaccharide means it have the glucose and fructose. Then we can take any fruit juice, and in fruit juice we have proteins, lipids, sugars, organic acid, vitamins, minerals, etc. Third thing, we will take the cornstarch, which have amylopectin and amylose. So we have seen in amylose, pectin and amylose in earlier video. Basically it have the single glucose unit, and this is just like this one, glucose unit, and they are connected to each other. And then we will use water. So we will use these four ingredients to start making edible polymer. Okay, so to make a edible polymer we have main 4-5 ingredient. Number one is this sugar. First we need sugar, white sugar. I'm using white cane sugar. Second thing, you need any fruit juice. I'm not using any processed fruit juice. I will make a juice from these mangoes or pineapple or banana or apple or oranges. So you can use whatever the fruits you have, right? And then we need starch, cornstarch, and then water. So these are all main 4 ingredients. There are many other. So let's me gather all those one, and then I will show you the other materials required for this polymer. So let's see what is the possible chemical reaction would be happen in this making polymeric material. So we have sucrose, which is the cane sugar. Here I'm just showing glucose structure. Might be other sugar will be there also. And then it will react with the citric acid, and basically citric acid and other organic acid, malic acid, oxalic acid and adipic acid, they are all part of the mango pulp and pineapple pulp. So main content is the citric acid. So they may react by heating and make a new ester bond between the citric acid and sugar. So this will be first reaction, and after that, once we will heat this material with cornstarch. So cornstarch has also very long sugar molecules. When you will heat this one, it will again bind with the remaining carboxylic acid of the citric acid. So this will form a new bond. So mostly this is, you can see esters bonds are forming in between the sugars and citric acid. So edible polymeric material would be here like a cornstarch, very long chain, and then any organic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, malic acid coming from the fruits, and then we have here sugar, which is from cane sugar. So this would be possible chemical reaction. You can try to explore if you can find some other reactions and discuss in your experiment. Okay, now we'll start. Okay, so let's see the other ingredients required material, which is the cutting board, some knives, here a small blender, and then a scale, either manual or digital, and then we have some measuring spoons, bowls, pans, and measuring cup. We need few spoons, one more pan, and digital thermometer. We have napkins, and then butter paper, some plates, So these are the all ingredient we need. So let's start our experiment now. Okay, so now start working. So before working in any lab, make sure you have your goggles, keep your eye safe. Even you are using glasses, you have to put your one eye safety glasses, right? So let's start. We need knife. Don't cut your finger, be careful. So I hope I will be able to cut my mangoes. So this is the mango pieces. I'm going to use only these mango and pineapple for my experiment, and we'll extract the juice. So let's put these on the side. And now this. Okay, so now once you cut these one, you can further make a small pieces and then use the spoon. This is the best way, I like it. So you can see how nicely it came out and directly into your blender. Same way you have to use this and directly goes into your blender, right? Okay, so now I will finish this one and then cut this one. So here is our mango slices are ready to make a pulp. Oh my goodness, finally close. Okay, my blender is very happy this time, so it make a lot of noise. Okay, sorry. So here I will make a nice blend, but I'm not going to add any water here. So no water added, only fruit juice, only fruit pulp, right? Okay, so here you can see my mango pulp is ready. Just I use only one mango, right? And after that you have to clean the blender so that it will be nice and clean. Next part is this pineapple. So to cut the pineapple is we need cut from the crown first, and then we need a nice chunk. Okay, then you have to cut from the sides to remove the all pieces. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here you can see our pineapple pieces are ready. I remove all the outside peeling and then keep all the pineapples in the yogurt blender, and make sure again there is no water added. So I'm not adding no water, only pineapple. And as I said, my blender is very happy blender, so it will make a good noise. Okay, so now you can see my second pulp, which is the pineapple pulp, is ready. Mango pulp and pineapple pulp without any water. It's a pure fruit pulp, right? So now it's time to go to the stove and then start cooking reaction, right? So let's go. Okay, so first I have this plastic bowl and I will place it here and make a tear 0. So this is 0. And now using a teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, right? So take this sugar, 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons sugar, which is approximately 40 gram, and then we'll transfer into, and then I will use 1 tablespoon of mango pulp. I'm going directly put here first. So it's a ratio is like a half, and let me see how much it would be approximately. So it's around 25 gram. and then let's start heating on slow, very slow, on a very low mode. So we have to heat slow to reduce 50 to 60% and to make a syrup. Okay, so here you can see within 3 to 4 minutes it start mixing and boiling, and check the temperature, it's 90 degree Celsius. So keep mixing a little bit more, and I have to reduce this to 50 to 60%. So the weight of the sugar was approximately 30 gram, and then the mango pulp was approximately 25 gram. I wrote just opposite, and this was approximately 30 gram. Okay, so now I have to switch off the heating. It's thick enough. Reduce from the heating and switch off. So within you can see 5 minutes it's over. Now we'll do in this pan. Okay, so now just I already tear it, this one, and I'm taking 2 tablespoon water. So 1 tablespoon and then 1 more. So 2 tablespoon water is around 30 gram, approximately 30 gram, and then pour it into another pan. It's a non-stick pan, and then we'll use this half teaspoon cornstarch. So I have another balance here, it will be more precise. So right now it is 0 tear, and then I will add this half. So it's approximately 2 gram. Okay, and then add into water, and then I will do this on a very low flame, mix it. So we have to keep mixing whilst it's become transparent, and then add this our sugar syrup into this one. So I'm using this rubber spatula, and you can see this within 2 to 3 minutes it become transparent. So I just remove from the, it's almost ready actually. Now I'm going to add my sugar syrup into here. All the sugar syrup will go to this one, and keep mixing. So we have to keep mixing. So I'm going to switch off heating, and then let's transfer first all the sugar syrup to here. So I have transferred all the sugar and mango pulp syrup from here. You can see it was very, still it has a little bit less, that's fine. And then into corn water mixture, and now I'm going to reheat. This 2 to 3 minutes more to make a thick paste. So here you can see still it is liquidy. So let's make a little bit more thick, and then we'll transfer into another pan. So now you can see it is still further liquidy syrup. Now I'm going to transfer it into this butter paper. So it's very hot, be careful once you transfer. very hot. Okay, let's make a little bit like a thin layer. I want to see how it will dry out. And okay, one last thing, I want to check the temperature right now. So right now it is in Fahrenheit, now in the centigrades, somewhere 56 57 degrees Celsius. So let it cool down at room temperature, then we'll come back again to check how the texture will look like. As we have seen many in the lab, we have to do several reactions sometime, or 2-3 work together. So now we have completed one experiment, and now we go to for another experiment. So let's start with the another one, right? So first we'll take sugar once again. This will be 2 tablespoons sugar, and approximately this is 30 gram. So 30 gram sugar, and we'll transfer it in this pan again. And then here I have pineapple pulp. So let's start working with this one and see. I'm going to use only 1 tablespoon. So right now 3 gram, just stir it. So this is around 2.1 gram. 2.12 gram, right? So this will, we also go in this one and start heating slowly. Slow mixing. Right. So you can see within 3-4 minutes it reaches around 90 degree, 96. No, this is Fahrenheit. It reaches 100 actually, and we have to reduce this to 50 to 60% to make a good syrup. So now it's after 9 to 10 minutes. I will switch off the gas, and this is very good syrup. Let it cool down, then we'll do the other thing. Okay, next we'll take 2 tablespoon water. So 1 tablespoon into another clean pan, 2 tablespoon water, and then approximately 2 gram, which is the 1.5. So let's take this. So this would be 1.5 teaspoon cornstarch flour. So which will be approximately 2 gram, and then we have to mix it. Now we start slow heating, very low heating, and make it transparent, this mixture. Keep mixing at slow. Now you can see this solution is become transparent, right? It's a corn solution is almost transparent, and I am running very low. So now I will transfer all the pineapple sugar mixture into this one and keep mixing. Transfer as much as possible because I know it's we'll lose some of them, and then keep mixing also. Okay, so you have to gentle mix, keep mixing so that it make a thick paste. So I'm mixing and heating, so I'm reheating this mixture around 12 to 13 minutes at low to make it thick paste. So it's still, you can see it's very liquidy. So, and then oven stove is very slow, so keep heating. Now it's a very thick paste, you can see very little volume remain. So switch off the heating and then transfer it into, here I'm using this butter paper, and we'll transfer everything into this butter paper, let it cool down. Now cleaning part, so soak them in water, it's very easy to clean. So just add water in the sink and they will easily clean, very easy clean, so no worry. So now this also have cooled down, let me show you. So it's now room temperature and it looks very jelly. I'm going to store this in a freezer for a few hours and then we'll take a look. Okay, so now you can see our both the edible polymer, biopolymer is ready to eat or taste basically. So first we will do our product analysis, and in the product analysis we will see the color, weight, physical form, solubility in water, and then taste. So these are the some properties we will see. So I have already weighed with paper. So this paper is not too much, but approximately each they are 40 gram each. 40 gram this, 40 gram this. And if you see the color, they are like a yellow mango pulp, yellow orange, and this one is slightly yellowish green, and this is also transparent, you can see my finger. And what about this one? This is not so much transparent, but it is okay. And now let's check the physical form. Let's see if I can. Okay, it's like a gel, it's like a jelly, right? So maybe we need to remove more water in future. How about this one? This is also jelly, and let's see if we can dissolve them in the water. What will happen if we will dissolve them in water? Yes, they are water soluble, no doubt. And how about the taste wise? So very nice. How about this one? I like this one taste. My camera lady is also smiling and she want to taste it. Okay, so you can see, you can do some learn organic chemistry and then enjoy eating very flavorful, whatever the fruits you like it, you can add it. And let me try to drink it. It's not so sweet, maybe I have to add some more. Okay, so in future basically I want to make a strip, but I think they are too liquidy. So in future we have to find out what we can do to improve to make a more crystals like, or maybe in the cup as a jelly. Okay, so you can try this experiment at your home, whatever the fruit you like it, and see how it does their work, right? All the best.